I hate losing more than I enjoy winning. That is what motivates me. I don't want to lose for my clients. My name is J.R. Moore. I'm the Director of Attorney Development at Angel Reyes and Associates. My father was an executive with the City of Austin Electric Utility Company. He was involved in several big lawsuits, like over coal plants, nuclear plants between multiple parties. Very high stakes. And so he would have to go watch these trials and possibly testify at these trials. And he would tell me about the lawyers, how he was in awe of the lawyers about how they learned things so quickly about these things they had no ideas about. Just as my father inspired me to be an attorney, my mother showed me the work ethic. Like I said, my father was an executive in Austin and he was not around a whole lot, he was working a whole lot. So my mom had to take care of the household, and my mom held down a full-time job. She was a teacher as well. But she showed me the work ethic, that she could get everything done, take care of me and my brother. And it was a lot of work, but every night she had dinner for us, just like I'm sure a lot of, people my generation, moms did that. But I saw her work very hard, and she's retired now, and, she's enjoying the fruits of that labor that she's had. At some point, I went over to the criminal defense side to help people. And then I veered from that to go into insurance defense. And then I started seeing how insurance defense, even worse than the prosecutor's office, was trampling on people's rights and trampling on people's stories and injuries and minimizing things that had happened to people. So that's what led me to try to help people. What I want clients to know about working with me is I'm going to take empathy with their situation. However, I'm not going to sugarcoat things. I'm going to tell them, here are the problems with your case. Here's the problems with the other side's case. Here's what we need to do. And I'm going to tell them in the end that, hey, you need to listen to me. I have 25 years experience. Treat me as your doctor. I don't always like what the doctor has to say, but I usually do what my doctor tells me to do.